Moments that are funny, frustrating, and sometimes painful, but we all go through them. Hey guys, this is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. Right here on this channel, I've been sharing my journey with you all so you don't have to learn it the hard way. Guys, if you like the content, you find any value, click on the subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's get into it, guys. Today we're going to have some fun in this video, guys. There's some moments, guys, that we have faced as traders. Every trader has gone through it, right? You have a trade go into profit and then a reverse, right? You finally see some green and then it just flips right back. Before you know it, it flips right back and you don't take profits and it hurts. You're like, ouch. But in hindsight, you laugh it off. That's just how life is, guys. You know what? Remember this, guys. I've been trading for a very long time. I've taken many losses, but no loss is worth losing your sleep over, guys. I'm telling you, I've had losses from 20 years ago to 15 years ago to 10 years ago. Today I sit down with my friends, I sit down, I share with people, I tell them and I laugh them off, right? At that, obviously, in the moment, they were very stressful, but then I assure you, I can promise you, as life moves on, these are all the things that these are all the things you're gonna cherish, guys. So just don't take it too seriously, right? Just don't. Every day, tomorrow is a new day, right? So if something happens today, that's fine, guys. Just remember, it's gonna pass. Everything is gonna pass, right? We're gonna have bad days, but then good days are gonna come, guys. So don't just overthink the bad days, right? Always be excited about the good days. Be thankful, be humble, and you'll be good. So another moment is like you move your stop loss, right? And you're like, all right, man, you know what? Just this one time, man. For the millionth time, I'll just do it one time. And deep inside, a part of you knows, hey, I'm just gonna mess it up. You do it anyway. And what happens? It just ends up badly, guys. It ends up badly. We just did it, right? All right. Another thing we do, we enter a trade just to FOMO. And guys, that's okay, right? It's okay to have fun sometimes. It doesn't have to be too serious, right? As long as you're not putting your life savings, you can throw in like a couple thousand on a trade, just FOMO, right? I mean, I'm saying a couple thousand, maybe it's a lot for somebody. So maybe like a couple percent or 1% or 2% of your portfolio. You're like, all right, man, I'm gonna FOMO this trade. This is FOMO. Everybody's talking about it. And you know what? The next thing you know, you just lose money. The trade, it just gets messed up because you're just FOMOing and you lose money. But guys, sometimes you're gonna make money too, right? It's okay. Have some fun, guys. It's okay. Have some fun while trading. Don't make it so serious because mental health is very important. You wanna have some fun when you're doing something. Don't make it too stressful, right? That way, when you're home, you're with friends, you're relaxed, right? You're just having fun. You're not just all the way. You're not just. Don't train yourself to not think about trading all the time. Once you're done, the day is over. That's fine. Just go have some fun with friends, family. That's fine. Tomorrow will be a new day, right? And I assure you, nothing's gonna happen. The sky's not gonna fall. This is life, right? We've seen crashes. We've seen COVID. We lived through a pandemic, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. That has to be something, right? All right, guys. Sometimes we do a trade and we close it too early, and then we're kicking ourselves. We're like, all right, man, we could have just held it a little bit longer. But hey, we didn't know. There's no way to know. We still logged in some profits, right? That's fine. The pain shall pass. Sometimes we're just looking at the chart. You're just adding the lines. You're looking at the indicators. You're looking at the zones, and all of a sudden you're thinking, hey, what the heck am I doing? I don't even know what I'm looking at, right? And you just laugh it off. So guys, every trader deals with these moments. The best way for that I've figured out over the years is don't take it too seriously, right? Enjoy the game, guys. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Not just trading. Anything you're doing, guys, make sure you're enjoying it. That way, your job, you're working as a doctor, engineer, you're a data scientist, whatever. Just make sure you enjoy what you're doing. If you're enjoying it, it's not work. Like I enjoy my work, guys. I love trading. I love networking. I love talking to new people. And I'm excited to work. I'm excited to work every day. I'm excited to trade every day. I'm excited to go out and launch new brands every day. Get into more ventures. Just launching more projects. what I love and I do it. So it just doesn't feel like work, right? It's not like I, it's not like I have to wake up and I'm like, oh man, I got to do this again. So just enjoy what you're doing, guys. And then if you feel like it's just too serious, you're not enjoying it, just add something, just add something to it, right? Add something. For example, if you're trading, just add some trades that you're just doing it for fun, right? You just FOMO on a few trades. That's fine, man. It's $100. I'll lose it, but sometimes you'll make 500-600 out of the $100. And it's just one way to just make it a little bit exciting. So guys, this is the journey. That's what makes it very well worth it for me, at least. And then you just learn from them. You laugh at them, and you just keep growing. Hey guys, if you made it this far, and you liked the video, you found any value, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. What are you waiting for, guys? Like, seriously, guys, what are you waiting for? You made it this far. I made a boring video. You still made it this far. Come on, subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Leave your comments. I want to know what you guys are thinking. Have a wonderful day filled with health, wealth, and happiness. I'll see you all next time, guys.